Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your mobile view on WordPress Elementor. And first things first, you want to go ahead and click on responsive mode right there at the bottom. And you will see the desktop, tablet, and mobile view. So you want to go ahead and look at all of those and see if you like it. The mobile view has a lot of spacing, which we need to actually change. So for example, the navigation menu, I would like to be aligned more to the end. And if we can change it, of course. Now we can also change the position. And also let's do this. You can also go ahead and change the margins. So for example, if you want it to be to the left or to the right, we can just drag it along just like so and change the position. Now for the logo, we also want it to be a little bit different. We can make a different position. So now let's go ahead and make it something like so. And now this container also needs to be fixed a little bit. And here it is. You basically just play with the padding and the margin and make it different. Now we want to go ahead and do the same for the image. Now, if you are not able to change the size or any other things, you want to go ahead to the heading here, to the content, and you can just change it like so. I'm just gonna do H3 maybe, and also we need to remove the space at the top. So again, we need to play with these margins. You basically just turn off the values and then you just play around with it. And let's do this. And here it is. The same goes with this one. If you want, you can change the position. And the same with this one. Here we go. Now it looks way better than it was before. Let's update it. And let's see what the desktop view looks like. Now, as you can see, the desktop view changed. And we need to change this to the right. And of course, we need to change the logo like so. Now we need to change this too because it's too small. And now on the mobile, it looks quite okay, I believe. So that's basically how it looks like. You can change the logo position if you want. And if you want, for example, to put a link on the logo, so you need to just go ahead and edit with WordPress editor or just customize it and click on the logo, click on edit and link to custom URL. And you can also put a link to your homepage, for example, and just basically play around with the images, with the text and change the position and so on and so forth. And yeah. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.